Good morning, students. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the cope and the anthem. In this story, I told you that Soapy was a young man and he tried thrice to go into the Brackwell Island, but he was unable to do so. But once, when he wanted to become a good person, at that time the cope came there and arrested him and sent him into the prison. So sometimes it happened when we want, this doesn't happen, and when we want, that happen. So student, today we will discuss the question answer of this story. First question is, answer the following questions. What are some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? Now I am telling you, the signs of approaching winter are the movement of birds to warm south, the woolens needed by people, and the dead leaves covering the ground. Now see true or false against each of the following. Soapy didn't want to go to prison. Didn't want to go to prison. He wanted. So this is false. Soapy had been to prison several times. Soapy had been to prison several times. Yes, true. It was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city in winter. True. Fourth, it was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city in winter. True. Soapy hated to answer questions of a personal nature. True. Now, students, we will take question number 6. Write true or false against each of the following questions. Soapy stole a man's umbrella. True. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. True. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. True. Soapy threw away the umbrella. True. Question number 3. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work? Soapy would go to eat at restaurant and would then tell them he had no money. They would immediately call a cop who would arrest him. But as soon as he put foot inside the restaurant, the waiters blocked the entry. Thus, his plan did not work. Question number 4. But the cope's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cope not consider and why? The policeman did not believe that Soapy had broken the window glass. The reason was that no such criminal would stop and talk to a policeman. Question number 5. We have orders to let them shout. What is the policeman referring to? Answer is, the policeman is referring not to arrest the unruly and shouting college students. Now question number 6. We have already discussed. Again I am telling you, Soapy stole a man's umbrella. True. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. True. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. True. Soapy threw away the umbrella. True. Now see last question. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about the change on Soapy? The sight of home where Soapy had spent his childhood suddenly changed his outlook. The old memories of his mother and the sweet music revived his mother for a decent life. He decided to work and become somebody in life. So, students, you are able to understand this. Thank you.